Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing two slides that share related objects. Duplicate the original slide and make your changes on the copy. Once done, rename or group matching objects so PowerPoint recognizes them as the same element, and align positions, small 0. 5 to 1 pixel shifts can change motion. Make sure shapes, text boxes, and images have identical names or are grouped. Otherwise, Morph guesses and may animate oddly. This step sets the foundation for a smooth transition. Now you apply the Morph transition to the destination slide and then refine how it behaves. Choose the slide, open transitions, pick Morph, and immediately adjust duration to something like 0. 7 to 1. 2 seconds so motion feels natural. Next, set effect options, objects, words, or characters, depending on what you changed. Use guides, arrange, and align to nudge end positions. This prevents unexpected scaling or path changes. If movement still looks off, check object names again and finish by previewing the transition in slideshow so you can judge timing and easing. If the animation seems wrong, stop and verify that object names match exactly or recreate the element by copying and pasting it between slides. That often forces recognition. As a key troubleshooting tip, convert smart art, group charts, or complex objects into shapes, or flatten them to an image. Morph works best with simple, consistently named objects, and this change usually resolves errant behavior.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.